Engineers Ireland is your trusted partner to help you learn, adapt and grow. Each year, we ask our non-student members to record and declare a minimum of 35 hours continuing professional development activities on MyCPD before the 31st of January deadline. As you make your CPD declaration and plan your CPD for the coming year, we're pleased to let you know that we will be running a series of complimentary webinars in 2021 on emerging trends in engineering. Visit engineersireland.ie to view the suite of technical and non-technical training courses, free webinars and lectures, seminars and conferences that are all available to you. And if you would like to make a suggestion for course themes or topics, please contact our CPD team and they will do their best to meet your needs.